Welcome to my channel. We do today here in the studio, in my own studio, we have a shoot. We shoot with Kim. Kim is a newcomer model. She had a few shoots before. Next week she have her first paid shoot. So yeah, she's quite new in the business. Shortly about me, we are here in the studio. We have a nice studio setup. Kim is coming right now, really cool. Kim have a modern outfit on. Kim, come to me. We show shortly the outfit. It's a bit oversized. We have a cool form in the whole thing, so that looks really cool. Looks saggy, but the figure you can see obviously also really well. And what we have now, we use here in the studio a white backdrop, and we have a big sun bouncer with a single flash with a little bit strobe light. And this gives us really nice contrast. A special tip, we marked with a tape on the floor the position where Kim have to stand, because if she move a meter left or right, back or forward, then the whole thing is gone. And yeah, I want to show you now shortly one shot. Kim, you can go on your place and make one of your awesome poses you did before. Perfect. 1, 2, 3. So guys, now we see the magic of this light and of course of this really cool posing of our newcomer model Kim. What we see, we have soft shadows with a high contrast. The light comes from above. And what I really like in this black and white, we have dark colors, and in the dark color eat a bit of light, but still we have a good contour in the fabric of the outfit. And of course the face and the shadows in the face are really cool and give this unique style. Inspired by Sean Archer. If you don't know Sean Archer, Google it. Look on YouTube. He have also some really nice YouTube videos on it. And Kim, we go a little bit forward, make some pictures, some stats for you guys. We have f-stop 5.6, ISO 100, and the shutter speed is 1 to 160, and our flash is working on half power. So perfect. Then we go further. 1, 2, 3. Nice. 1, 2, 3. Really cool. 1, 2, 3. Nice. Oh yeah, that's cool. Some high noon pose. Nice. Cool. 1, 2, 3. Look down again. I really liked it. So I hope the picture's coming. 1, 2, 3. Nice. 1, 2, 3. Really good. So you see the pictures are coming in. So we make some portraits. So I cut until to your hips. So we need some strong expressions. 1, 2, 3. Nice. 1, 2, 3. Really good. 1, 2, 3. Awesome. Yeah, that looks really cool. Can you follow the camera? Just look up. Perfect. 1, 2, 3. Nice. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Really cool. Like it. Looks good. Yeah. You like it also? Mm-hmm. That's cool. Perfect. So if you want to follow Kim on her Instagram, we push it here somewhere. Then you can follow Kim on her Instagram. Of course, we do our Instagram also in it. We go a bit further. I changed the lens from 85 millimeters to 50 millimeters. And we say now goodbye. You can watch some shots further. And we see us next time. Bye-bye.